Ah, what a question. This question looks frightening, right? Evaluate root 160x squared plus root 71 x raised power 4 plus root again 100 x raised power 8. Looks frightening, but you know what? In mathematics, I don't let the complex look of the question scare you. It might be very simple. Most times I've discovered that the question that looks scary in the facial value is the one that you take a few steps to arrive at the conclusion. So don't let it scare you. It's very simple. Now, when you see something like this, what you need to do is to solve from inside. Now, if you look at it, this is the least among the square roots. So you first of all pick this square root and solve. This one is inside this one, and this particular one is inside this one. So this one is their papa, yeah, is the father of them all. So we pick this one first. Pick that one. This is like the grandchild, yeah. Yes, that is the grandchild. All right. So this one now we have roots 100 x raised to the power 8. Now square root means half. So this means that you are looking for the square root of 100. What you have here now is times the square root of x raised to the power 8. Like I said, square root means half. Now for this one, automatically, the square root of 100 is 10. You already know that. But for this one, 10 times this x raised to the power 8 times half. Because the square root itself is half times half. Now these two now will now cancel 8, so you now have 4. So what you now have is 10x raised to the power 4, which means that the square root of 100x raised to the power 8 is 10x raised to the power 4. That is how you do it. The square root is half. So this half, 2 will cancel this 8. Would now give you 4 here. Give you 4 here. So at the end of the half, x raised to the power 4 times 10 will give you 10x raised to the power 4. So we have done this. So what you now have now is this. Look at it. This is how the equation is now like now. 160 x squared plus now you are now having 71 x raised to the power 4. You have removed the square root from this one. When you remove the square, what you are now having is this. So this is what you will now put here now, plus 10x raised to the power 4. That is what you will now have. You remove that square now. These two now, they are inside the square now, and incidentally, they have the same power of the x. Okay, they have the same power of the x. Just like saying 71 mango plus 10 mango. I hope that will be 80 mango. That is what it means now. 71 x raised to the power 4 plus 10 x raised to the power 4 is 81 x raised to the power 4. So this will now give us 160 x squared plus roots. Here will now be 81x raised to the power 4. Again, you will now come and work the child this time around. You have done the grandchild. So let's work the child now. Okay? The child is the parents. So let's work the child now. So work inside this one now. So again, you find the square root of this. This is as square root of 81 is 9. You already know that one. Times square root of x raised to the power 4. The same thing now. Square root means what? It means 1 over 2. So 2 will now cancel this 4, you now have 2. So what you now have here now is 9x raised to the power 2. That is what you now have, 9x raised to the power 2. So the square root of 81x raised to the power 4 is now 9x raised to the power 2. So that will now give us root 160x squared plus 9x raised to the power 2. Now look at it now. What you now have now, they still have the same like terms. S squared. So 160x squared plus 9x squared is 169x squared. So you now have roots 169x squared. All right. Now, when you find the square root of 169, if you are good in your multiplication table, you know it's 13. 13 times 13 is 169. So this will give us 13. Then the square root of s squared, like I did the other one. Now, s squared square root is half. Okay. 2 will now cancel 2. So what you now have, so the square root of s squared is x. So which means your answer to the entire question now is 13x. I hope that is simple. Thank you for watching.